Module 7, The Power of Goal Setting. The objectives of goal setting to help you understand why goals are important, how to set goals, how to take action on goals, and overcoming obstacles to achieving your goals. The 7-Minute Life has a big focus on how to help you move from where you are today to where you want to be. The definition of a goal is an endpoint toward which effort is directed. Think of a marathon, 26.2 miles. The goal is not just running the marathon, the goal is actually at the end of the marathon. The goal is the ending point toward which effort is directed. The beauty of what we believe is that it's the every step that leads you forward and brings you clarity and drive and passion and perseverance. It's having this grit and excitement and commitment with your entire heart, body, mind, and soul that can lead you down a path of finding new and powerful goals that drive you. The key to the 7-Minute Life is that it will require action for you to accomplish your goals. Now, this is just a fast start guide, but it's important to understand that goals and purpose have a lot in common. Both of them are actually endpoints as we go toward reaching a life with meaning. Now, we don't have time to cover it now, but when you read a lot of motivational pieces, they may tell you that personal goals might include making $1 million or writing a book. Some of these are fine, but in the 7-Minute Life, I want you truly to be thinking about which of these personal goals would you like to accomplish over the next 90 days. Just getting started, which of these things would help you? We have multiple goal-setting tools that you'll have access to in the tools section of your Learning Hub. So whether you're looking at personal goals or professional goals, you'll be able to go and download all kinds of different worksheets and tools. In this segment, I'm just showing you how you can take your goals and break them into projects or use them and create lists of what you need to accomplish. For some of you, it may mean mind mapping out what's most important to you. And so all of these tools have been created and are placed in your learning platform to help you accomplish your goals at work and at home.